Are you a manufacturer of neurosurgical implants and instruments? Are you the one testing, trialing, and wanting to validate the clips and instruments better? Receive no more complaints on special clips. We have a solution for you. You can develop new clips, instruments, and devices for complex patient cases. Innovate more and produce efficient implants and neurosurgical instruments. No more cadavers, no storage, less cost. Tailor-made dynamic patient-specific head models. Patient-specific implant testing and demonstrations are now possible with the simulator. Present your clips with a dynamic, realistic neurosurgical simulator. To sell more better and in a proficient way. Book our simulator for your industrial testing, trade shows, and training sessions. Reach out to us. info@surgeonslab.com.